Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. After buying Twitter for $44 billion with the aim of reducing debt and increasing revenue, developing new sources of revenue, such as the subscription model so that the company is less dependent on ad revenue, Elon Musk saw his investment devalue 82% in less than 30 days. Today Twitter is worth $8 billion. After all, what's going on? Musk has laid off 50% of the company's employees, claiming that Twitter is losing $4 million a day. However, there was a major management failure. Employees who received the Twitter shutdown email disclosed that they were called back. The company's justification was that some layoffs were carried out by mistake. Another big problem was with Twitter's Blue verification seal, offered to subscribers of the Twitter Blue package after fake accounts emerged, causing damage to people and companies. It was no wonder that the paid verification seal was suspended. Result: company depreciating, loss of 877,000 users, including some migrating to the Coup social network, which has a format similar to Twitter, celebrities boycotting the social network, great talent resigning, and loss of great advertisers like Pfizer, Volkswagen, and General Motors. Reflecting on this Twitter problem, I highlight 4 great lessons for you not to lose money on investments. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss other incredible tips like this one. 1. Learn to control our emotions. After a legal battle in which Elon Musk had given up on buying Twitter, claiming that the number of fake accounts was greater than the former controllers were reporting, as soon as he took control of the company, he fired the president and the former controllers without considering technical issues. As a result, important people for the proper functioning of Twitter were fired for a matter of honor. It was clear that Musk did not know how to control his emotions. He could have separated things and sought reconciliation with important people who would contribute to the growth of Twitter. An investment: we shouldn't consider the brand we like, the entrepreneur we admire, or a product we think is bad. We should evaluate competence and good results. 2. Do not invest in something that gives a loss. Twitter has never been able to make consistent profits. In the last 10 years it has only been profitable for 2 years. When investing, we must put the odds in our favor. Demonstrably, companies with consistent profits manage to maintain themselves. Rarely do companies that show losses manage to trail years of profit. Can Elon Musk make Twitter profitable? You can, but it won't be an easy task. Understand better in the next topic. 3. Don't invest in what we don't understand. Elon Musk is a reference as a businessman. He manages Tesla and SpaceX very well. Obviously, he understands a lot about these companies. In the case of Twitter, he no longer has the same knowledge. The only social network that makes a profit is Meta. Wouldn't it be more prudent, for example, for Elon Musk to buy a part of Twitter, continue to know the company and its sector, bring good professionals from Meta, keep good professionals than Twitter already had, and together, each one with their knowledge, work for the company's growth? It was clear that he dismissed strategic people for the business. There was a lack of understanding. Imagine me, a financial consultant, buying a bakery, and on the first day I fired the baker for not liking the bread. My first role would be to verify that the raw material supplied to the baker is of good quality, then check the condition of the equipment, among other issues. Want to invest in something you don't understand? Study first. 4. A bad investment can sink others. Even Tesla's shares devalued, as the market understood that Elon Musk would have to dedicate a lot of time to Twitter for the restructuring of the company, leaving Tesla aside, which is a company that is growing. It is a giant, but without a doubt it needs greater attention from its great leader in order to be able to consolidate itself in the market. It's like building an investment portfolio. If you buy 5 shares and one of them depreciates 82% in 30 days, it will certainly hurt your portfolio performance. It is very unlikely that the other 4 shares together will appreciate 82% for you to stay at 0-0. A big hug and good investments. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.